Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to animate in Roblox Studio. We have our Roblox Studio opened up and we're going to select a template. We're going to choose a classic base plate, and right here we're going to go over to the avatar tab. Right here at the top you can see avatar, click on it. And then you're going to click on rig builder. Here you can see the rig. We're going to leave the rig type as R15 and leave it as masculine. Then click on my avatar. This will create your avatar. Then we're going to try to center it up. So now we have it centered up and we can see this is our rig right here under the Explorer. And then we're going to come over here at the top and click on Animation Editor. Then we're going to select the rig to animate. And you can give it a name. So we have the name Happy Guy, and right here, just as any rig editor, you're going to have time frames, and with these time frames you're going to make some movement with the different body parts of this avatar, right? So we're going to start at the beginning. We're going to start at 0.1 second or 0.13, anywhere you choose. So right here we're going to click on the body and try to rotate some of it. We're going to make a movement for it. Then we're going to come forward. And basically we're trying to say this is what the movement we want at this point, and then we're going to go forward, then come over here, then move it also, then come forward again on the timeline, click on the body or any other part you want, like so. And when we go back to the beginning, we're going to click on play. And there you can see some animation right there. So you'll need to keep on making movements at different time frames and then play to review it as you wish. I'm going to try and add one more move by clicking on the timeline, then clicking on the leg. So once again, we're going to come over here to review it. So we're going to take this off and then play it from the beginning. And there you can see some animation. So you'll need to keep doing this, moving on the timeline and making movement on the character. If you found this video helpful, do give us a like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.